Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to pay with Revolut on your phone. So the first thing that you will do is we will go ahead and add Revolut Virtual Card as one of our contactless payment. To do that, all we need to do is to go into our Revolut app right here. And then once that we are logged in, we have the option to go ahead and select the card that we are using. So go ahead and click on the top right here where we can see the card, and then just go ahead and click on Virtual Card right here. Now you should be able to see the option Add to Apple Wallet right here at the bottom, so just go right on ahead and click on it. Now this will open up, and then all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Next on the top right, and then this will go ahead and contact the card issuer. Now there will be some terms and conditions, so just go right on ahead and read through it, and then click on Agree on the bottom right. Now this will go ahead and set up your card and add this to your Apple Wallet. Now once that the card has been added to your Apple Wallet, you have the option to go ahead and use this as your default card. If you want to, just go ahead and click Use as Default Card, and if not now, just go ahead and click on Not Now. Now for us to go ahead and use the Revolut to pay, all you need to do is to double click on your lock on the right side, and then just go right on ahead and select the Revolut right here on the top. And then there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.